Hello! Today we are going to show you how to make a DIY air conditioner using an old fridge. So our plan is to take the compressor, evaporator and condenser from the fridge and install them so that the evaporator will be inside to cool the room down and the condenser outside to dissipate the heat. First we'll disassemble the whole refrigerator. Oikein kovaa tällä kertaa. Now that we finally got the evaporator loose, let's take the compressor out. The AC is really hard to move now because of the tubes bending, so we'll have to make a stand for it. We'll put the cooler together with quality materials, which is rope and zip ties. So there's the finished product. Our plan is to have it on our doorstep like that, so that it blows the cool air in but the hot air stays out. It actually cools quite nicely, so I'd call this a success. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you next time.